If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, I will show you how to install ChatGPT on a Mac. OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbot offers a new generation of conversational AI functionality that promises to fundamentally change the technological landscape and the way people work. Here's how to access it directly from your Mac's menu bar. Click on the link below to get free download. Install and follow instructions to get access of this app. Mac GPT and the ChatGPT website aren't the only ways to access conversational AI chatbots on your Apple devices. Microsoft recently rolled out new Bing, Skype, and Edge apps for the iPhone and the iPad, all of which feature the chat-based AI-powered search capabilities. However, as of now, these apps are available only in a preview capacity for those who are on the Bing preview experience, and there is a waitlist. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.